Today we are making Jhunka, Sabaki soppu, onion, dry chili, lavanga. We are in Gayatramma's kitchen. We are making Jhunka, traditional recipe with Sabaki soppu. Lavang powder. We are adding Sabaki soppu. We are adding salt and we are mixing it. We are adding water. Then we are adding gram flour powder. And once the gram flour is added, we have to keep stirring it till it becomes like a fine paste. Gram flour. Then in the sim, we are going to add gram flour. After the sabaki leaves have cooked, along with onion and lavang powder.
देखो इसी दाल हल्दी है दाल की बहुत सुपर
ऑफ कर डाली
हम जरा घोट के
The gas stove has been switched off. With the existing heat, keep stirring it and make it a fine paste. And this dish is called Jhunka.
बीच में जरा आटा है देख
एक बराबर करो बीच को नहीं बराबर कर दो नहीं जरा चौड़ा करना ओके
डालना कम है.
So after stirring it for 2 minutes, the dish Jhunka will be ready after steaming it for a minute. Thank you. Enjoy the dish. Let it steam for a minute and then the dish Jhunka is ready.